Mommy and Daddy. You want to open it?
Yeah!
You can't figure out how to get in? How are you going to get in? Oh, wow, huh? What is it?
That's a chain.
A train?
This is Dada. Open that.
Open that way? Okay. Well, we'll open
First,
it.
let's open
Yeah,
open
we'll
your
open
other
it in a little
presents.
while, okay? Should we finish the presents first? Let's see about this one.
Do
No,
it.
get this one there too. Bring me that one. This one is for Aiden from Mommy and Daddy. Can you help? Can you open it for him?
Yeah.
You think you can handle that?
What is it? Show me. Show me what it is.
Mommy,
What is it?
something boring and baby stuff, huh?
Is that for a baby? Yeah, we'll open your choo-choo. Hold on. We have more.
We have more presents.
More
Open
presents.
This one's for you too, from Mommy and Daddy. What is that? Yeah,
It's a clock.
No, bring me the other red one over there by the bouncer first.
That one.
Yep, that one.
Take that to Mama. Take that to Mama.
Okay, this one's for Aiden from Great Grandpa and Grandma. You open it for him. Let's see what it is. You know what that is? These are sheets for his bed. What do you think? Are those nice sheets for Aiden's bed?
Do you think Aiden will like it?
Choo-choo and chat.
You want to play choo-choo?
Yeah.
We have a few more presents. Bring me the rest of the presents. Open.
I can't get out. Oh no, I can't. Get out.
Get out, huh? It's hard to get it out.
There you go.
Oh my
Good
goodness.
job. What is that?
Is that a snowman?
Snowman.
Yeah, on a sled. And it says Aiden.
Who's that for? Hold on, Ash. Hold on. Who's that for? Who's that for?
Oh, this is for you from Grandpa and Grandma Beck. Yeah. I had to rewrap it because it got.
Are we going to put the snowman on the tree?
Look. It goes on the tree. That's so pretty.
No, open the other one.
We didn't open this one yet. See what that one is. This is for you. Yep, we'll get to that one. Come here. Yep, open this one first. This is from Grandpa and Grandma Beck. They sent it. Remember when they sent the box with the jam?
Car.
It's a car,
Is
isn't
it a car?
Actually, is it more of a a truck?
Is it a truck?
That's a pretty fancy one, isn't it? That nice? You want to take it? You want to take it out of the box?
You
We'll play
love
with
the
the choo-choo in a minute.
choo-choo.
Here, look at the hats. Can you say, hey? Can you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa? Grandma Beck sent that. What is it? Oh, wow. You love books, don't you? That in it? Look, come here, come here. Do you want to look at the book?
Yeah.
It's a nice one, huh? Should we read that tonight? Yeah. That's a really nice book. You want to see what this is? Okay, let's see what this is. First of all, why don't you open this one? This one's from Aunt Erin and Aunt Andrea for you.
I drop it.
Did you drop it?
What is it?
Book.
What's in the book?
Oh, what is that?
Book.
Who is
These
that?
pictures?
Who is that?
That's Ashley. Who's this? Yeah, you know what? That one's Nathan. That's Uncle Nathan and his dog. You probably need a little bit more light. Oh, we turn the page. Who else is in there? Is that Grandma Beck? What's that?
That's a horse.
That's a horse.
Horse. Grandpa Beck.
Yeah, that's Grandpa Beck. And who's that? Who's this? What's Grandpa Beck have? What's this? Is that a bale of hay? And what's Grandma have? That's an apple. Aunt Andrea. Aunt Erin. Oh, who's that? Who is that? Yeah, Uncle Nathan.
Grandpa Beck. Turn around. Grandpa Beck.
That's Aunt Erin. She's making bread. She's making bread. And who's that?
That's a grandpa.
That's Grandpa Beck. What's he doing?
You will get off a horse.
Is he on a horse?
Yeah. Mama.
That's Ashley. That's Aunt Ashley. What does she have? Oh my goodness.
Books.
Lots of books. See, there she is again. Aunt Ashley. Oh, who's this? Who is that?
Papa.
Uncle Nathan and his dog.
Church. Oh my goodness.
A tractor.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, it's a tractor.
Grandpa, a bear.
And a bear. Yeah. That's nice, isn't it?
All done.
All done. What else is under the tree? You got some more. Give me the brown box. From Uncle Nathan, we need scissors.